Alright, in this video I'll be showing you how to use StarDesk to transfer files between your phone and your PC. So I'll start the screen recording now. Okay, then minimize. Okay, so while using the StarDesk app, what you need to do is tap Panel, then scroll down a bit, tap More, and then tap File Transfer. And this should show up, so you can transfer from your phone to your PC and from your PC to your phone. So let's say you want to send a file, you tap Send File. And from here you can choose the file you want to send. So let me just look for a file. Let's check backups. Okay, so I'm going to send this file to my PC. I'll tap here to start the sending process. As you can see, it is being sent to my PC. And on my PC you can see it says received one file. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to access the file, but before I do that, if you want to transfer from your PC to your phone, you'll tap download file from PC, and then you navigate to where the file is. So it has all the regular folders you may want to access, so desktop, document, downloads, music, and the rest. But if the folder is not listed here, then you can start searching from the C drive, which may take a lot of time. So I'll go through that, but I want to go to the downloads folder. So I'll tap C drive, then I'll select users, then I'll tap my name, and then I'll go to the downloads folder. And these are some of the files that are on my PC, so I can just tap on any of the ones that I want to download to my phone. If I want to download many, I'll just choose them, and then I'll tap download. And as you can see, they are going to be downloaded to my phone. Okay, so to find the files that you have downloaded, I'm going to close this. So on your PC, I'm just going to close. I'm controlling the PC from my phone. I've made a video showing you how to use the StarDesk app. So at the end of this video, I'll link it for you so you can watch it. So to find out where your files get sent to, just open up the StarDesk app, and then tap here to minimize this. Next, your devices should be visible. I don't know why mine is not visible yet. So tap settings here. You can tap this settings icon or this one down here. Either of them will work. I'll tap this one, and this is where the files get downloaded to. So you can click open folder from here. And as you can see, this is the file that I sent from my phone to the PC. I'm going to delete it because I'm not going to be using it on my PC. So to find the files you downloaded to your device, that's your phone, just use any file manager you want. So for me, I like using CX File Explorer. Tap main storage, then go to downloads or download. You should see StarDesk, tap it, and these are the files that I downloaded from my PC. So that's how you can transfer files using StarDesk. If you have questions, please let me know, and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.